Welcome back everybody. Just a quick update. 35 shoes this time instead of 40s in the foams. Goes well, nice and clean. Only the throttle is only set to 80%, so I don't get top speed. As I say, I'm just testing. Does turn out on the brakes here, you will hear it, that the diff fails, the front diff fails. Any run after this here, the car was just pulling all over the show because it was only going to 3-wheel drive. So enjoy the video. Again, on foams, 35 shoe and 80% throttle. Something does not sound right there. But she's going straight now, I like that. There's a terrible noise coming from the front for some reason, I'll check it. Goodness knows. But that wasn't a bad pass at 85% throttle it was. So we'll see what's going on and we'll see what temperature the motor is. But I'm quite content. That was the cleanest run I've had with foams. Start 123 and it was going straight, it wasn't too bad. How's it going to perform higher up? I don't know, we'll see.